I created a simple but effective tool for a pretty popular and typical small and medium business scenario, nail bar service. Let's check it together and show the whole process from idea to result from scratch. And on this channel, weekly I share vibe coding cases for business and life. So subscribe in order not to miss new episodes. Okay, introduction part is over. Now Nail Boss is here. My starting point and my idea was to build a simple but strong business tool for nail bar. So what do we have here? Landing page, booking tool, and smart AI agents. I built it in 1 hour just using text prompts. Total cost is $17. All parts are connected to each other and managed easily. I mean, no additional connections, integrations, or services. And I use Chatium for creating this tool, AI platform for vibe coding any web app. This template is available by the link in the description. You can use this one or you can customize it as you wish by texting prompts to AI developer. For example, for cleaning, beauty, medical services, where you'd like to provide customers with fast and easy booking and leave communication. And the heart of this template is a calendar with a flexible management. You can add masters, you can add services with pricing, duration, description, and also you can mark services as add-on, for example, to have it as upsells. And it's easy to manage each master's schedule, for example, working days, hours, max days ahead for booking. Also calendar management, owner, administrator, and employees. So you can vibe code it to your needs also, I mean to add new roles or to make it more advanced rights or more granular ones. The best part of vibe coding for business, you can build custom AI solutions that match your workflow perfectly. Now let's create a page for our nail bar for sharing it in social media, maps, and ads. And I decided to call my bar Nail Boss, like place for modern women. Don't hesitate to generate brand conception with AI too. I mean, I can definitely recommend Perplexity for such tasks. It works pretty well from creating brand name to full description of the brand strategy for different channels. So, I want my page to be pretty simple based on image style in blue, white, pink and yellow colors. And here you can see my basic prompt, so let's wait a little bit as usual while AI developer does its work. Also, you can check my another case with a photographer site. I will leave the link in the description. And I vibe coded it in a magazine style. I mean, you can use different approaches for each product and niche because vibe coding allows you to build it as you feel. Okay, now let's check our page. What do we have here? Masters, services, booking tool, and AI agents. So let me show you the customer's part about self-online booking. And then I show you AI agents. First, I choose service, date, and time. And that's it. Yeah. And there is confirmation email too. And now it's time for creating an AI agent, which you can then connect to different transports. In my case, I'll use a chat widget on the site and a Telegram bot. So in Chatium, there is a big section for building an AI team which can manage your business. And today I'll show you a simple example of how it can be. So first I created an agent, described its role and basic rules. There is a big difference when you set up strict AI bot chains or when you train your AI agent and it works completely autonomously. For example, here I can upload my knowledge base and I can upload hundreds, thousands of docs in different formats and your agents will use it and will self-learn. So now I need to make settings for my agents. Besides consulting, I wanted to check availability, to make bookings and to ask also for human support in a separate Telegram internal Nail Boss group for employees. For example, if there are some non-standard situation. And I connected this agent to two transports, chat widget and Telegram bot. And so here I deliberately broke the booking process here to demo the AI agent's behavior in tricky situations. So the agent immediately pinged the group and reported the issue as set in the settings. Then it got the human answer and related back to the customer with final confirmation, like this. So It's a pretty small example of how powerful this can be. The key is that the agent is smart, takes everything into consideration and uses it to be more productive and accurate. For example, check my chat history, see how much info the agent gathered during test dialogues, and it will definitely use it moving forward. Not bad, not bad. Nice, I would definitely visit such a nail bar. Hope this case was useful for you. Grab the template and customize it to your needs or build something unique. Everything is possible on Chatium, so let the idea speak.